All right, and now we are back for Engineering 101, Lecture 11-12. And the last one was dark light tracking or dark tracking. So this is going to be light tracking. So hold on and see if you can see the difference. All right, so the robot is going. And hopefully you can hear, maybe more than you can see, that the robot slows down when the light gets close and speeds up as it gets further away. So did you enjoy that? Make sure that you like, share, and comment. Follow the playlist pinned in the bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my robots and stay fantastic.